A very good morning, my dear students. I have been referring you to some YouTube links to learn the first chapter, the fun they had. Hope all of you went through them. Now you got an idea about the chapter, and this is the best time to learn this chapter because we are really locked up and forced to use a virtual classroom. Not at all like the virtual classroom in this chapter. Anyways, technology should be used for the advancement of human life, but at the same time, we should hold some human relationships too. Now come to the chapter, The Fun They Had. It's a science fiction written by Isaac Asimov. The story mainly deals with the difference between a virtual classroom and a normal classroom. The writer here is expressing his vision of the future technology along with his emphasis on the deterioration of human relationships. He wrote this fiction in 1951, but the story is set in 21 and 57. In some books, you can see 21 and 55. The writer here assumes what will happen to our education system after 200 years. And Margie and Tommy are the main characters. Now we can check each points. I told you this story focuses mainly on the difference between virtual classroom and a normal classroom. See the first point, in a virtual classroom we can see technologically equipped classroom. Margie and Tommy had a technologically well equipped school near to their bedroom. School is a room in their own house. Now look at this picture. They are surrounded by modern devices. You can see a robotic teacher, moving e-text, and so this is called a virtual classroom. Whereas in a normal classroom, we know it's a separate building for classroom. It's a separate building. Yes, school is a separate building where children and teachers go to the school regularly and imparting and receiving of the knowledge is taking place every day. Second point, a robotic teacher, a mechanical teacher. They have a robot as their teacher with many switches on it. Whereas in normal classroom, we have a human teacher like the children. Human beings like children teach them. The notes are flashed on a screen. In a virtual classroom, we can see on the screen the notes are flashed. It has a slot too, and to which the children should put their homework assignments. Human teacher is giving the class as well as notes in normal classroom. Then next point can be adjusted according to the level of each student. Okay. And here when you read the story, you know that when once Margie scored bad marks in geography, a county inspector was called in to repair the machine, and he adjusted the geography sector to the level of a 10-year-old student. Okay, that's how he rectified this problem. Okay, so it can be adjusted according to the level of each student. But here in normal classroom, students of the same age are studying in one class under a curriculum framework. Okay, we cannot adjust the teacher according to the level of the student, but a teacher can understand the student. Here we can see more individual freedom and space for the children. They can get along with their peer group and learn by sharing their thoughts to each other.